Welcome to the Simple Solutions Asynchronous training. This experience provides an overview of the program along with practical best practices for implementing it in your classroom. At the end of this training, you'll find a brief questionnaire. We appreciate you taking a few moments to complete it. If your school has purchased Simple Solutions, you can use the Simple Solutions Star Center. This is where you access teacher materials and digital content. If you need help getting into the Star Center, click the link in the PDF or email us at starsupport@simplesolutions.org. Be sure to check out our Quick Start Guide found on our Knowledge Base page. This link is on the downloadable PDF. The Quick Start Guide will help you set up your Simple Solutions Star Center account. Teacher resources are located in the pre-test section of the Star Center. This short video will demonstrate where you will find these resources, that include the pre-test, topic guide, help pages and more. Use the link in the PDF to find out more about this section. The table of contents is also available in the teacher resource section and includes important information. It provides the Lexile level for the set of passages and the unit quiz, and identifies whether each passage is literary or informational. Reading for grades 1 through 8 follows a 2-week cycle. Students complete lessons in their books each day for 6 days in a row. After each lesson, the teacher and students review the material together. On the 7th day, teachers assign a quiz that covers the material from the previous 6 lessons. The last 3 days of the routine are the writing task and will be talked about in future slides. Making Simple Solutions part of your classroom routine supports students' success. Completing and reviewing lessons in a consistent way helps students to know what to expect and builds confidence. Because of learning loss, some students may need more time with the material if lessons feel challenging. Adjust the pace by cutting lessons in half and extending the schedule to a 3 or 4 week cycle. Consistency is a key part of the Simple Solutions program. Maintaining regular review, even with adjustments, helps students continue moving forward. Parent involvement can also strengthen student success. Sharing information through email or open house helps families understand the program and support learning at home. It's important to model how to approach Simple Solutions lessons so they don't feel overwhelming for students. If the lessons seem challenging at first, that's okay. The goal is to keep moving forward and gradually close learning gaps over time. Even when students need significant support to complete a lesson, the daily practice of reading short, grade-level passages will make a meaningful difference. As the year progresses, students will build confidence, eventually working through more content, and soon completing an entire page within a 15-minute period. This video shows you where to find lesson answers in the Star Center. Click on the link in the PDF that will take you to the Knowledge Base article. It will walk you step by step on how to access the answer keys. The lessons are to be displayed for students to self-correct. Note: lessons cannot be printed with or without the answers. Review lessons right after students finish them. This helps them understand their mistakes while the material is still fresh. It's not a good idea to wait and review a whole week of lessons all at once. The program builds on itself. If a student gets something wrong in one lesson, they can learn the correct method during the review and then use it successfully in the next lesson. Teacher observation is especially important during this part of the program. Monitor students closely and look for signs that they are rushing through their work or completing answers just to appear finished. It is also helpful for teachers to review the weekly quiz in advance, before teaching the lesson. This allows you to identify the most important questions and focus your instruction and review time more effectively. Finally, before moving on, preview the next lesson with students. Use this time to highlight any potentially challenging areas and provide helpful tips or guidance to support their success. With the exception of grades 3 and 4, there is only one version of the reading quiz. This quiz can be printed for students or assigned digitally. In both cases, the same reading passage is used. The passage can be found in the students' books. Here's a short video showing where to find the printable quizzes in the Star Center. You can also use the link on the PDF to access a knowledge base article with more detailed instructions. One advantage of using the printed quizzes is that teachers can easily review and assess students' work. This video shows you how to assign a digital quiz in the Star Center. You can also use the link on the PDF for step-by-step instructions in our knowledge base. Before assigning a quiz, make sure all students are added to your class roster. Students will log in to the Star Center to complete the quiz. Digital quizzes are graded automatically, and results are available right away. Teachers can quickly spot patterns in missed questions or standards, and reports are generated for further review. You can find quiz results in the Assignments tab within the Star Center. Watch the video for a quick demonstration of how to access and review them. You can also use the links on the PDF to view knowledge base articles that provide more detailed information about the features and resources available in this section. The final 3 days of the 2-week reading routine focus on a writing task. Day 8 is dedicated to pre-writing, Day 9 is the writing workday, and Day 10 is when students complete their final draft. The writing task is located at the end of each unit in the Star Center. In this video, we'll show you exactly where to find it. Each writing task includes the standards being addressed, an activity overview, step-by-step instructions for teachers and students, and any accompanying handouts or suggested responses. The reporting feature is available when teachers assign digital quizzes to students. It provides a clear view of student progress over time, helping you monitor growth throughout the year. The course report displays overall class scores on digital quizzes. The standards report shows how well students are mastering the different standards assessed in those quizzes. Thank you for taking the time to complete the asynchronous training today. We're so glad you're getting started with the Simple Solutions program. If you have any questions or would like additional support, please feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help. And don't forget to share this course with other teachers at your school who use Simple Solutions. Please take a moment to answer the questions in the questionnaire. You can find the link on the accompanying PDF. Your responses help us identify who at your school has completed Simple Solutions training. You will also be able to share any questions you have. Thank you. Have a great school year.